Hey there, adventure enthusiasts. Ever wondered how Mount Everest became the tallest mountain in the world? Buckle up, because today I'm unraveling the fascinating story of this colossal marvel. First off, let's talk location. Mount Everest stands majestically on the border between Nepal and the Tibet autonomous region of China. Its exact height is a point of constant debate, but the latest measurements peg it at around 29,000 out of 31.7 feet, or 8 hours 848.86 meters. That's almost like stacking 20 Empire State Buildings on top of each other. But did you know that the height of Mount Everest actually changes? Yep, due to tectonic activity, the mountain grows a tiny bit every year. It's a slow process, but it adds up over millions of years. Now, imagine that. A mountain that's still growing. Speaking of growth, let's dive into the geological formation. Mount Everest is part of the Himalayas, a range formed about 50 million years ago, when the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate. This powerful collision pushed up the land, creating the towering peaks we see today. It's like Mother Nature's own version of a construction project, but on a grand scale. Now, climbing Everest is no walk in the park. The extreme conditions are mind-boggling. Temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 60 degrees Celsius. The air is so thin that climbers need supplemental oxygen to breathe. And let's not forget the notorious death zone above 26,000 feet, where the oxygen levels are dangerously low. It's a place where every step feels like a marathon. And then there's the climbing season. The best time to attempt the summit is during the pre-monsoon period in May and the post-monsoon window in September. During these times, the weather is relatively stable, offering climbers a narrow window of opportunity to make their ascent. Picture this: brave souls battling the elements, pushing their limits, all for the glory of reaching the top of the world. So, there you have it. The fascinating story of Mount Everest's height and formation, from its shifting height to its geological birth, and the extreme conditions that make it a climber's ultimate challenge. Next time you see a picture of Everest, you'll know there's so much more to this giant than meets the eye. Thanks for watching, and keep chasing those adventures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your fellow adventure lovers. See you next time.